is equal to B, where A is equal to Aij of order n by n, and X is column vector x1, x2, xn t. मतलब transpose this is column vector written in row, and B is also column vector b1, b2, bn. So if A is non-singular, so then we have X is equal to A inverse B, and if the solution of system of equation is obtained by A inverse B. Now problem is to find the inverse of the matrix A. If we find the inverse of matrix A, then directly we obtain the solution by multiplication of A inverse with B. Suppose we have given less number of equation, and suppose the given system of equation contain 3 variable only, then it is easy to find A inverse. Or contain 4 variable, then it is easy. But consider the case when number of variable n is large, and suppose n is equal to 10 or 100. So in that case, to obtain A inverse by using adjoint of A upon determinant of A, it is very difficult, or it takes much time. So this is difficulty. So now we need to think about how to find the inverse of matrix when n is large. So to find the inverse of matrix, there are many methods. One is Gauss-Jordan method. Gauss-Jordan method. So here in Gauss-Jordan method, suppose A is the matrix, consider only limited number of elements A11, A12, A13, 3 unknown only to explain the method, and A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This. So then to find the A inverse, actually we use this concept. We can write A is equal to AI. Yeah, by using A into A inverse is equal to I. We know this. A into A inverse is equal to I. If suppose B pre-multiply this equation by A inverse, then again it become I A inverse is equal to A inverse I, and that is it become A inverse is equal to A inverse I. Or we can write ki AI is equal to AI is equal to A. So then from this system of equation, we obtained A inverse, and A inverse is equal to A inverse I. So here we can write ki A is equal to A into I, and then we try to convert this matrix A into I. If this become I, then this become A inverse. You see, any multiplying by A inverse, A inverse, it become I equal to it become I into A inverse. So here what we do, and suppose this is the matrix. So to find the A inverse, we use A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and A31, A32, 33, and this into I 1 0 0 0 here 1 0 0 0 1. This is equal to A. Now we try to convert this matrix as identity matrix. You see, A inverse from this matrix, and A into AI from this we obtained A inverse is equal to A inverse I. So when we convert this matrix as A inverse I, and we need to convert this matrix as identity matrix, then it become A inverse. Then it become A inverse. So, and if we try to convert A into identity matrix, in that case, this identity matrix become A inverse. So here, no need to write this A is equal to. Just consider this A into I. A into I. So this implied, yeah, we can take this here a single matrix, augmented matrix, and like this, depend upon our choice. A11, A12, A13, and for simplicity, here for we make this element as identity. The dividing by A11, this A11, A11. So this become 1, this is 1, and here we may consider either in this matrix inside this matrix or separately, depend upon our choice. So here it become 1 upon A11, 0, 0, this. And second, as it is, A21, A22, A23, and 0 1 0, and third A31, A32, A33, 0 0 1. Now we want to convert this matrix as identity matrix of order 3. So for that, here this is 1, we need to make 0 this element and this element. So and that is multiplying first row by A21 and subtracting, it becomes 0. हम यही ऊपर लिख देते हैं. So you see here, this become first row 1 A12 upon A11, A2 1 3 upon A11, and 1 upon A11 0 0, this. And second row multiplying first by A21 and subtracting from second, so it becomes 0. And here A22 minus A12 upon A11 into A21, and third become A23 minus A13 upon A11 into A21, and here 0 and not 0, here it will be 0 minus A21 upon A11 and 1 and 0. And similarly third row multiplying 1 by A31 and subtracting the A32 minus A31 A12 upon A11 and A13 into A31 upon A11, this, and A33 minus, and here 0 minus A31 upon A11 and 0 and here 1. So in this way, next suppose we denote this element by another notation. Again we need to make this element as identity, and dividing this row by this element it become 1, and then subtracting with the multiplication of multiplying this element, this row by this element, and subtracting from this, it becomes 0. This becomes 0, and again multiplying this by this element and subtracting, this becomes 0. So finally it converted into 1 0 0, and here 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 in third step, and then here it become here non-zero matrix. So then this become A inverse. Here the portion this become A inverse, and this is identity. So this is Jordan method to find the A inverse. So just write the matrix A into I and then transform this into I into A inverse. I into A inverse. By using this, you say A I is equal to A. So then multiplying by A inverse, it become I is equal to, A inverse is equal to, suppose A inverse is equal to I. So multiplying by A, we obtain A inverse is equal to AI transform into I into A inverse. So here when this A become I, then this matrix identity matrix become A inverse. So this is Jordan method to find the here no need to find the cofactor element and adjoint of the matrix and then A inverse. So easily be obtained. Then we can solve the given system of equation. By matrix inversion method, when we obtain A inverse, then X is given by A inverse into B. So easily be obtained. And similarly, we can find the inverse of the matrix by using triangulation method. We know that if A is positive definite, then we can write A is equal to LU, upper lower triangular and upper triangular, and then A inverse will be LU inverse, and then it become U inverse into L inverse, A inverse. So here by using triangulation method, first write the coefficient matrix A as LU and then determine L and U by taking L is equal to same way as previous case. U1 1 0 0, suppose 3 by 3 in case of 3 by 3, and L2 1 0, L3 1 L3 2 and 1, and U is equal to U11 U12 U13 0 U22 U23 0 0 and U33. So then by using this So we can determine L and U. After determining L and U, we can easily obtain L inverse and U inverse. So first determine L inverse and U inverse, and then put here the value of L inverse, U inverse, then we obtain A inverse, and then solution of system of equation A inverse Bx. This is by using triangulation method. This is some lengthy, and also to find L inverse, U inverse, no need to consider ki adjoint of matrix and determine divided by determinant. To find L inverse, also we can use like this. Suppose L is, we have taken L this, and then suppose the L inverse is and let L inverse is 1 0 0 and AM 2 1 1 0 and AM 2 3 1 and AM 3 2 and 1. This ये थोड़ा लिखने में इधर हो गया, this 0 0. So then take L inverse is equal to this, and then also we know that L inverse is equal to I. L inverse is equal to I. So using this, and we take the L inverse as this, and L is here known. So then multiply L and L inverse is equal to identity matrix. Then solve the system of equation. Then we obtain easily L inverse. And similarly for U also, U into U inverse is equal to I. Or we can also use U inverse, U is equal to I, and here also L inverse L is equal to I. It is commutative. So then easily we obtained L inverse U inverse, and after determining L inverse U inverse, here multiplying U inverse by L inverse, here it is not commutative. So then A inverse is given by U inverse into L inverse. Here it is non-commutative. Then easily we can obtain. So this is the inverse of a matrix by using triangulation method. ठीक है? And this can be used to solve system of equation or to find the inverse of a matrix just only. And also you know that this method is not applicable always. And the triangulation method is applicable only when जो है कि all the principal minor are non-zero. If principal any of the principal minor is 0, then this method is not applicable. So this method has limitation. Yani if any of the principal minor is 0, then this is not applicable. And another method is, but also in this method we need to calculate, do more calculation, and we need to calculate L and L inverse, U and L, and then L inverse and U inverse, much calculation. But if the matrix A is positive definite, then to obtain A inverse, we can use this relation. And if A is positive definite matrix and symmetric, real symmetric positive definite, here only जो है कि positive definite matrix, then we can express A as product of L into U. But if A is real symmetric and positive definite both. If A is real symmetric and positive definite both, then we can write A as, if A is real symmetric and positive definite. Positive definite means all the principal minor are non-zero and matrix is real symmetric. Then in that case we have A is equal to, A is square matrix also, the AL into L transpose, and every positive definite real symmetric matrix can be expressed as the product of lower triangular and transpose of lower triangular matrix. So here the advantage is no need to determine L and U both. Only we need to determine L. If we know L, then we obtain the L inverse. So for simplicity, here L is lower triangular matrix, so we can take L is equal to L11 0 0, L21 L22 0, L31 L32 L33. Here also we can take L11 is equal to L22 equal to L33 equal to 1 if possible. Actually, always it is not possible. Sometime by taking this, we are not able to determine L. We obtain absurd result. Then we cannot take in that case. But sometime we can take for simplicity. Yani taking L 1 1 2 2 3 3 L I equal to 1. If we are able to determine L, then it's okay. But sometime by taking this equal to 1, it is not possible to determine L. So in that case, this choice is not possible. So general case is this. It is always true. If A is positive, definite and real symmetric, then we can express as product of lower triangular matrix and it transpose. And L, where L is given by this. This is the general case. This is always true. But in particular, we can take L11, 22, 33 equal to 1. But this sometime it is not possible. So if it is not possible, we have taken this one and after solving we obtain absurd result. Then we need to modify L and that is we need to take this general L. So then if matrix A is known, so by an L transpose is obtained by this matrix. By this matrix, then we can write A is known. So here it will be L11 0 0, L21 L22 0, L31 L32 L33 into it transpose. It transpose and changing into row and column. So L11, L21, L31 and 0, L22, L32 and 0, 0, L33. And then by solving this, we completely determined L and LT. L transpose is this is LT and this is L. By solving this system of equation, A is known, we determine L and L transpose and then using this A inverse is equal to L transpose inverse. So this is equal to L transpose inverse into L inverse and this is equal to L inverse transpose into L inverse. And here we know that A inverse transpose is equal to A transpose inverse. So by using this, finally we obtained A inverse is equal to L inverse transpose into L inverse. So you see here, only we need to calculate L and we can determine L easily, and then L inverse in the usual way. By taking L inverse, as here previous case, by taking L inverse is equal to this, then L inverse is equal to I. By using this we obtain यानी जो है कि L inverse is equal to I. तो by solving this we obtain L inverse and determining L, then easily we obtain here L. By solving this system of equation, we obtain L and L transpose and then L inverse, and then from this we obtain A inverse, and we can solve the system of equation also. X is equal to A inverse B, and for the system of equation Ax is equal to B here. But here limitation is, this is the most easiest method, but the limitation is A is real symmetric and positive definite, and that is all the principal minor are non-zero and greater than positive. The minor of the diagonal element, principal diagonal element are non-zero and positive, and matrix is real symmetry. This is the necessary condition. Then we can apply this. So this is most easiest method, but its limitation is also only we can solve only few problem. Always a given problem, in a given problem, the coefficient matrix is symmetric and real symmetric and positive definite. It is not possible. But if it is this real symmetric and positive definite, then easily we can solve. So this is advantage, and this method is known as Cholesky method to find the inverse of a matrix. Cholesky method. Cholesky method to find the inverse of a matrix. So this is the way. To consider one example. Find the inverse of a given A is equal to 1, 2, 6, 2, 5, 15, 6, 15, and 46. You see, this matrix is real, all the entries are real, so real matrix, and symmetric also. If we interchange row and column, then we obtain same matrix. So A is real symmetry. A is real symmetric. Next, to check positive definite, find the principal minor of principal diagonal element. The minor of 1 will be determinant of 5, 15, 15, 46. This is greater than 0, and minor of 5. It will be 16646. Again this is greater than 0 and minor of 46, it is 1225. This is again greater than 0. So all the minor, principal minor are non-zero and positive. Therefore A is real symmetric positive definite matrix. So we can apply Kulasky method to find A inverse. So then we can write, therefore we have L transpose, and taking L is equal to this L1100, L21, L22, L31, L32, L33. So here write this and solve. Determine L first and then L inverse. Solve करिए and determine L and then L inverse. L inverse कैसे determine करेंगे? We have L, then by using L inverse is equal to I. L inverse is equal to I. So by L is known, by taking L inverse is equal to another matrix. Here say here M11 0 0, M21 M22 0, M31 M32 M33 33, and then using L inverse is equal to I. So here L inverse is this and L is this. So by solving this, we obtain completely L inverse. After knowing L inverse, here the we obtained A inverse is equal to L inverse transpose into L inverse. So finally we obtained A inverse. So this is Kulasky method. But the limitation is कि A should be real symmetric and positive definite. If A is not real symmetric or not positive definite, both, then this method is not applicable. Why? In that case, this is not true. This A is equal to L into L transpose is not true. ठीक है, इसको आप सॉल्व कर लीजिएगा. तो in this unit only one topic is left, inverse of a matrix by using power, not inverse, actually powers method to find the largest eigenvalue. Actually power method is used to find the largest eigenvalue in magnitude. So this is left, otherwise this unit is also finished. Now time is over. Okay.